3 years ago, in 2018, essentially the same team of people were fortunate enough to come here to the southern Gulf of California on RV Falcor. And we discovered another vent field.
Y fue nombrado en lengua quiligua JaichMaa'ja'ag, que quiere decir metal líquido.
On this leg, we are doing heat flow measurements in and around that vent field.
Tienes que hacer mediciones sistemáticas a lo largo de un transecto para poder correlacionar lo que estamos midiendo arriba con la estructura de la corteza que estamos midiendo abajo. Por dónde se están yendo los fluidos, por dónde se está transmitiendo el calor. El campo de Auka está relativamente cerca, entonces estábamos esperando un comportamiento similar. Y bueno, nos encontramos con la sorpresa de que el flujo de calor decae de manera más rápida y aparentemente hay correlación entre la cantidad de fauna con una región que aparentemente está más caliente, donde no hay ninguna manifestación hidrotermal. Entonces, sí estamos aprendiendo cosas nuevas.
We were able to obtain vent fluid samples, and that's really important because the chemistry of those fluids is the context that all of this chemosynthetic life is living in. When we went looking for vent fluid samples, we were looking for two very specific places. The one spot in this vent field that we'd really had a chance to look at back in 2018, but when we got on bottom and came in, nothing exactly looked the same.
We got there and everything had completely changed. Much more hydrothermally active, a bunch of new flanges. Whenever you think you know what's going to happen, you find out you're wrong.
It reinforces our understanding that these are really, really dynamic features. Most of the hydrothermal vent systems that you find in the world's oceans generate chimneys and vent structures that turn really dark and cloudy. And so that's where you get the term black smoker. Here in Pescadero, those fluids are not cloudy at all. They're clear. The mainland to the east sheds a lot of sediment and the basin is sediment filled. Hydrothermal fluids are interacting with the sediment between the lava and the seafloor. That makes all the difference.
What looks like a local phenomena is actually globally important. When the seawater reacts with the volcanic rocks, it turns out that that really is important for things like the chemical balance of the oceans. They're actually a fundamental part of how this planet works.